Woods Farm here, just back working on the tractor shed. So yesterday I went down to the States, picked up a load of steel roofing. So now I'm just working on that today. So I started by putting up the soffit or the fascia. I'm not sure what it's called, but I put a piece of cedar on the front edge there. And then I installed the drip edge. And now I'm putting up the steel. This is a lot easier if you got a crew of people, somebody to hand up the sheets, and a couple of guys up there. But I made a little jig, so basically that screws on the end, and that'll hold the steel in the right place and allow me to climb up there and screw it down. So basically the way I've done this in the past is I just get up there and get everything in place and sort of screw it down with 1 or 2 screws, make sure everything's kind of as square as it can be, and then I'll go back after the fact and screw it down properly. Okay, that's one side done. Well, I should say the steel is up. Now I have to go back and screw it down. So just to try to get the screws in a nice straight line, I'm going to use a string from one end to the other. I have some screws up there. They're going to be kind of random, but the rest of them will be in a nice neat row. Okay, that's it. Roof's up. A few more screws to go on the ridge cap, but it's basically done. Get an idea what it looks like with the tractor in there. So this week I'll start working on the walls. I'm gonna put steel on one side, wood on the other. I gotta enclose the gables. Probably put a window on the front gable. It faces south, so that'll let a lot of light inside. And yeah, wasn't sure if I get all the roof up today, but my son gave me a hand for a little bit there on the second half, so that was good.